Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, today let us learn 4th Standard EVS Lesson 6 Each Drop. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand what is water cycle, water is used in daily life by using informal measurements, the sources of water that are suitable for drinking, a list of problems caused due to shortage and wastage of water, the importance of recycling of water and rainwater harvesting. Each drop of water is precious, isn't it? First, let us know how water cycle is formed. The steps are as follows. Some of the pictures of water cycle are given. Oh, what's that picture you are looking at? Steps of water cycle. Do you know? This is the picture of water cycle. Water cycle? What is it? Water cycle means the water in the form of vapors then cools down at a certain height and condenses to form clouds. The water keeps condensing to form clouds, but when too much water gets accumulated, the clouds become heavy and then the water falls from the sky in the form of rain, snow or hail. Now, let us learn step by step. First is evaporation. The process of changing water from liquid state to gaseous state. For example, when water boils, it evaporates. In the same way, due to the sun's heat, water gets evaporated. Before going to second step, that is condensation, do one activity in free time. Okay? Understand? Take a small plastic bag. Pour some water into it. Tie the open end of the bag with a thread. Place the plastic bag in the sunlight. Observe the bag after 1 or 2 hours. Think, what will happen? What happened to the water in the bag? What we can see on the upper part of the bag? Due to the heat of the sun, the water gets evaporated and rises up. Due to the cool air, water vapor turns into drops of water. This process of changing water vapor into liquid state is called condensation. Understood? Next step is precipitation. Water falls from the sky in the form of rain, snow or hail. This is called precipitation. Now, I think you understand the steps of water cycle, isn't it? Children, already you know that water is very precious. So, we have to use it carefully. Water is not only used for daily activities of living beings like drinking, cooking, washing clothes and other household activities, but also it is very essential for agriculture, industries, water transportation, construction of buildings and generation of hydroelectricity. Children, did you understand where we are using water? For all these purposes, we need water. Okay, now will you tell me the sources of water which we use for all these needs? It's okay, I will tell you. The sources of water are ponds, lakes, wells, glaciers, isn't it? Once again repeat the sources of water. Yes, ponds, lakes, wells, glaciers, rains. These are all the sources of water. Look at the picture and know the amount of water available on the earth. Okay, I will show you one chart. The chart will show the importance of water. Okay, shall we see? Yes. See here. Around 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, in which most of it is covered by ocean, whose water is saline or salty. Only 3% of water available is sweet water, which is good for consumption. Out of 3%, 2% of water is ice water. This is solid form of water. It cannot be used for daily activities. Less than 1% of water is suitable for drinking. Observe the pictures. What is happening here? Look here. The water is wasted, isn't it? People are wasting water unnecessarily. We know that water is very essential for our life. It is a part of our life. We cannot imagine a world without water. It is our life. So, don't waste water. Save every single drop of water before it disappears. How is water wasted in your surroundings every day? Just think of it. How will you prevent wasting water in your school, home, or in your surroundings? Children, what would happen if there is no water at all? Just imagine. We should drink minimum 2 liters of water every day. Then only our body will become active. Isn't it? Yes, we will drink daily minimum 2 liters of water. Here, pictures are showing some methods of saving water. Rainwater harvesting. We call that rainwater harvesting. For what purposes we use the water that is already used once? Just think. The water that is used for washing utensils, cloths, vegetables can be used again for watering plants. This is called recycling of water. So, it's our duty that we try to conserve water as much as we can, so that we left resources for the future generation. Children, today you learned about water cycle, the steps which comes under the water cycle, and water used in daily life, problems caused due to shortage and wastage of water, recycling of water, isn't it? And also how to save the water. Today you learnt about the use of water in a limited way and the conservation of water. So, I bid you goodbye. Okay, drop of water. Thank you, children.